Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly with Inbound Revenue. I'm not in my usual studio, so I'm just recording from the road, so to speak. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about residential cleaning on Google Ads, residential cleaning leads, and what you can expect, what you should target. So in residential cleaning, it's a fantastic niche. We can get you leads at a great rate. You can close them at a high percentage if you have good closing skills and you understand your product and service. But you have a number of different options, and so you have to look at those options and decide which niches you're going after. So when you're doing cleaning, a larger dollar lead is like a move-out clean. A larger dollar in terms of the initial transaction is like a move-out clean or a move-in clean type of thing. So if someone's moving out of their house, moving out of their apartment, they're required to clean it up. You can usually get a decent dollar for those campaigns. So what happens when you are, sorry about that little glitch in the universe. So when you're doing your when you're launching your campaigns, you need to think about services you want to offer: move out, move in, higher dollar first time. Obviously, you want to go after general cleaning, and that's where you're going to get your weekly cleaning and your monthly cleaning, and those are great recurring revenue because that can be, very high revenue. Now, if you're in a vacation spot or just about anywhere these days, you can also target Airbnb, monthly rentals, things like that. That's where you can really get into some good money because your Airbnbs can turn over very, very quickly. So if you target Airbnb, that's a separate ad group or even a separate campaign that you want to run. And if you want to invest the extra money in the landing pages, you could even develop a special landing page for that, because Airbnb owners have often a variety of requirements that they might want. Some people might want cleaning, but they also might want light janitorial or light change. Change the lights, change the grill. Not every change the gas on the grill. Not every cleaning company wants to get into that. So you could specifically outline what you want to do there. So you've got move out and move in. You've got your standard clean. You've got recurring clean. You've got Airbnb, which is a good option. So those are things that you want to target or consider targeting based on your company, the services that you offer, and the revenue that you want to bring in from your campaigns. You could also conceivably, if you're into it, do light office, church, that sort of thing. That's another ad group that you could add potentially to the mix. So those are some of the things that you can do with residential cleaning. Just wanted to run those through with you. My name's Mark Kelly, inboundrevenue.com. If you have questions or comments, drop them below. If you need some help with your Google Ads, we offer Fast Launch PPC for residential cleaning. We offer hourly buckets just to help you out in the short term. We offer audits. Check us out. Look forward to talking to you guys again soon.